Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. In this video today I'll show you a lot. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go on, subscribe and switch on notifications so that when I upload the next video I don't want you to be left outside. So just keep subscribing. So as you can see, my desktop seems to be not well organized, seems to be very in a bad condition. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do how to minimize the icons, how to set the desktop to be well. So we'll start. Just right click anywhere on the desktop. Let's first refresh. If you are using Windows 10, you can just press F5 for refresh. If you're Windows 7, just press F5 to refresh. So then you right click there, come to view. Here you can see, you can view large icons, medium icons, small icons. So what you're gonna do, let's go to medium icons. That's how it appears. Viewers, small icons, that's how it appears. So viewers, medium icons. Then let me again show you something else. So viewers, say when you click on auto arrange, your icons on the desktop will be arranged. So let me show you the difference after viewing as medium icons. So you have to again click maybe auto arrange when the desktop is still very in a bad condition. Again, you can sort your icons depending, you can do it in size, see it changes. Again, you can sort it using item type, date modified, name. You click on name, there you go. So it's up to you to choose on how you'll sort the items on your desktop, where the desktop is used. So you can again here on the desktop add some gadgets like a clock. Here is the clock. With the clock here you've added this a gadget. Again you can add, let's say, slideshow. So you just drag and drop it the desktop. There you go. And many more things you can add. You can get more gadgets online. That means if you're connected to the internet. So here, slideshow, you can just change your pictures. Just expand the window. From here, you could just change the pictures. You can see, you can just keep changing the pictures, and again you can modify the settings. So that's all about desktop. I still have more to present you. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and we shall still make you updated. So thanks for watching.